Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, stock market, almost everything are red and everything are crashing. Only these few stocks are growing, but others are crashing as you can see. Let's check out the news, and of course will be negative news here. And the first one, the big one, stocks tank as Wall Street reels from inflation, tariff fears. Of course. Trump has very good called with Canada's uh, currency as more tariffs loom. Here another one, core wave stock seasons scissors ends flat after IPO in AI trade test. They are making a different FUD news maybe also, and you can see here another stocks are also crushed. By the way, here you can see S&P 500, Dow Jones Index, Nasdaq, Russell 2000, crude oil, only gold plus 0.86%. It's United States. Let's open the Europe for example. When we see the Europe, the most of them are crushed. When I see the Asia also the most of them are crushed by the way. Okay, that's it, and there are huge of negative news and its manipulations. You can see 14 minutes ago this one, and this one for example again, Nasdaq tanks as inflation, repetition the same thing for crowd of course. This one, Wall Street stock falls on funding concerns. Here minus 51%. Let's check out the chart. Okay, let's see Wall Street stock here, Wolf, and its exit signs 1993, and it's here accumulation. You can see for example a long-term accumulation like this. Let's check out. You can see here grow and crush, again crush, accumulation like this, and pump up and go here, again crush, again up, again crush, accumulation, again pump, and again crush. This is accumulation, so this is also accumulation and pump up. Here accumulation and pump up, and again pump up with $100. For example, you can see the price. It's surprising me. The price from this cents, from $1, from 76 cents goes to the $100 and more. And what happens after a while? Price crushed. Here you can see, and there's accumulation like this, a long years accumulation, keep accumulation, and goes up to the $80, and here the all-time high to the more than previous high. Wait away, here 140, and then the stock crashes here. I don't know what to say, but this stock did all-time high. I am not hurrying up to buy this stock by the way, because he did already all-time high, and I don't know, maybe the growing will be happen, but there's yes more volumes here, pretty high volume. Maybe the growing will be. Of course there is extreme fair now, and no one want to buy. Of course. Analysis rating, yes, here is 250% for 1 year price target. By the way, that's it about revenue, income statement. Annual loan, it's like this. You can see for quarterly one also like this. By the way, if you want, you can include this stock in your portfolio, but don't forget about risk, because this stock can crush long years, and after a while it can grow. So it crushed long years accumulation and only then start growing. You can see. Okay. Here, for example, again, soda stocks drops as food stamp band push gains momentum. There are some stocks that are top gainers. HMY, MLJO, VRB, SLNO, S5. These stock coins against the market. And here are top losers here. 10X, DNXP, Air, Lulu, Sweeney, CNXT. Let's check out the top gainers and top losers. Top gainer, HMY. You can see HMI, but by the way, I don't recommend to buy because it's not making sense to buy on the highs and it's expensive, like it's like 1777% expensive and it's on the high. Green, it means greed, and people have extreme greed to buying this stock. People are buying with FOMO. They are fear of miss out, and that's the common mistake of crowd when they are buying. Okay, now let's see the highest top loser, DNXP, from this list. Let's check out. Let's type DNXP. It's pharmaceutical company. Of course, it's pharmaceutical company. By the way, and it's pretty high risk. I'm not going to recommend you to buy this. It's not making sense. Let's check out MLGO and see what inside of MLGO. Let's type MLGO. Wow. This is also impressive. But by the way, it's not making sense to buy because it's pumped already, and even this stock has a not good chart, and it's like this. It's high risk and no sense to buy. Come here and check out Air. So this is Air stock and it's crashed here. You can see, but it's minus 16%. When it will be up, it will be plus 24%, or even here it's 32%. But by the way, I am not going to buy this stock for this 30% or 20% profit. If you want, you can do that, but I will not buy because it's not crash for me. Here the better crash here, you can see from this point it's crashed minus 73%, 83%, and this is crash. But this is not crash for me. This is bullshit. Minus 22%, minus 26%. It's bullshit for me for this stock. Let's check out VRB. I do mean WRB. WRB, of course, will be in extreme grid. Yeah, of course. No making sense to buy. Let's see about Lulu. But Lulu is $293. I think it's not making sense. Lulu is globally on the high and in my opinion is dangerous to buy. By the way, I am not investing in Lulu. Let's check out SLNO. This is healthcare, high risk stock. By the way, you can see it's crash here and then start growing. Wow, and this is impressive profit, and it's happening in 1% only. It's 50x profit, 50x, x50. Wow, who are invested here? They are lucky. They are lucky people, of course. They are lucky who invested here and sold here. But it's not happening in 99% because you are buying here maybe and a lot of people are selling here. Only the 1% of people are earning money on this stock. But now, of course, it's not making sense to buy. It's nonsense. But we can go deeper and let's see how it's crushed. It's crushed like scam. When no one bought this, it's crushed like the scam. And by the way, after a while, it starts pumping and growing like this. Let's check out SVNY. About this stock, I have no idea, but by the way, this stock already grew from this point and it's expensive for me, and I'm not investing in the stock. Even let's see how much it grows generally. It grows 74%, now it's 50%, and along years, and this stock is growing pretty small, pretty slowly, and nonsense for me for investing. Because of this stock is also low volatile, and I'm not investing in this. Let's check out semi-final one here, GFI. GFI stock is pretty old stock. The all-time high was been $35 in here. You can see in 1980, and here is 1984. After a while, it's crushed like this. It's crushed, and after a while, it goes up to the $21, and how much it grows. Let's check out the chart. It grows like 871%. After a while, it crushed. Here, crushed minus 84%, 85, and now this stock is up. And I am not buying this stock, and it is not making sense to buy. I don't recommend to invest in this because the way already gone, and it's 700% expensive from this point. That's why it's not making sense to buy. And the last one is CNXC. Let's check out the last one. CNXC, this stock globally looks good because there's a condition like this. It's crushed, pump up, crush, pump up little bit, crush again, pump up, and crush and pump. This is accumulation. This is a part of accumulation. Volumes are pretty high. This stock also dividend stock, and I would recommend to buy when it will be red. When it will be red at $45, you can buy now. But I don't recommend to buy right now on the green because this is green, 26% expensive. Here it was being 44% expensive. Yes, and it's crashed. That's good. That's good. And I hope that this stock will crash, and may I will be able to buy this stock. Now it's still grid, and it's not making sense to buy in the grid. On the grid, analysis rating is 1 year price target plus 16%. The best stock that I like from this list, from this Yahoo Finance list, that's only CNXC. But again, I'm not going to rush to buy now because it can crash. It can crash easily, maybe come here minus 18%, or even here it will be minus 30%. So I will invest in this diapason, I think. But again, if price comes here, I think price will come here because here squeeze, selling squeeze, and after a while it's crushed. Okay, would you like to analyze this stock? Let me know in comments, and may I make video about this concentric corporation stock because this stock is very interesting for me, and volumes are pretty high here. You can see there is accumulation. Volumes are high. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. I have a Telegram channel in investing in stock and crypto market. My thoughts, my podcast, and my recommendations you can find out in my Telegram channel. Link will be down below in the description or in my bio. Alright, I am saying see you in the next video. Bye bye.